Research firm Choksey has maintained a buy rating on ITC and increased the target price from 346 rupees to 400 rupees, showing an increase of 16% from the current market price, based on its views that the cigarette-to-hotel major will see broad-based growth across segments, markets and channels. The expected pickup in consumption in the coming quarters is going to be good for ITC on account of moderation in inflation, normal monsoon and proactive measures by the government and RBI. In the FMCG Others segment, staples and convenience foods recorded robust growth while discretionary, out-of-home categories also continued to grow strongly. The hygiene segment was subdued but remained well above pre-pandemic levels. FMCG Others growth was across urban and rural markets, driven by a ramp-up in outlet coverage, enhanced penetration and last-mile execution. The market and outlet coverage was at about 2x and 1.3x of pre-pandemic levels, respectively. E-commerce and modern trade channels are scaling up. Under branded packaged foods, Ashirvad's value-added atta range witnessed robust growth. Bingo snacks, Yippee noodles, Sunfest biscuits and cakes, and dairy and beverages also recorded robust growth. Notebook sales continued to witness strong traction in the premium portfolio. Under the cigarette segment, ITC continued to launch several differentiated variants to further strengthen the portfolio. The hotels segment witnessed strong performance driven by retail, packages, leisure, weddings segments, while domestic business travel continued to normalize gradually. The facility to manufacture and export nicotine and nicotine derivative products will be commissioned by the end of FY23. ITC reported consolidated operating revenue of 18,608 crore rupees, increase of 25.4% year-on-year, decrease of 6.2% quarter-on-quarter in Q2 FY23. Cigarettes business revenue was at 7,635.4 crore rupees, increase of 22.8% year-on-year, increase of 2.3% quarter-on-quarter. ITC continued to see volume recovery in cigarettes by taking away share from illicit trade. FMCG Others segment revenue was at 4,894.3 million rupees, increase of 21.0% year-on-year, increase of 9.8% quarter-on-quarter, driven by growth in staples and convenience foods, as well as discretionary out-of-home categories. The FMCG Others revenue is approximately 1.5x of Q2 FY20 pre-COVID levels. Hotels business revenue was 560.4 crore rupees, increase of 80.2% year-on-year, decrease of 3.5% quarter-on-quarter. ITC EBITDA for Q2 FY23 was 6,259 crore rupees, increase of 24.7% year-on-year, increase of 3.0% quarter-on-quarter. EBITDA margin for the quarter was at 33.6%, which declined by 0.16% year-on-year while improving by 2.99% quarter-on-quarter. While in the September quarter of FY23, PAT improved 24.4% year-on-year and 5.2% quarter-on-quarter to 4,619.8 crore rupees.